change for once in my life. I see the kids in the streets with not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their needs? Yes, I must disregard a broken bottle top and a washed out dream. They follow each other unknowing, you see, 'cause they got no place to be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make that change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Oh yeah, I'm asking him to change his ways. Come on, change. No message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make the change. You gotta get it right while you got the time. If you close your heart, then you close your mind. Man in the mirror. Oh, you know that man. Oh, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make that change.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Well, you know what I liked about it? I like that you were engaging, that you came close to us, and you were not sort of shy and doing. I mean, you're performing a Michael Jackson song. You did it reasonably well. I mean, I wasn't kind of jumping up and shouting and carrying on, but it was okay.
Conroy.
Yeah, vocally, you were strong. I saw you trying to connect with us, and you gave it your all. But because Michael Jackson is so slick, and he moves, and you know, there's an energy about him that was just missing in the performance.
Alaine.
Yes, Sherlon, you have a beautiful voice with an awesome tone, which is reminiscent of Michael Jackson. It's not easy to sing a Michael Jackson song and to pull it off, even to the point where somebody says, you know, that was good, it wasn't great. What it was missing was a woo! Because that's now going to excite people, because that's what Michael had. He had that little spark that could ignite a room. So when you're channeling him, then you have to tune into that spark so that you can excite people, because you have the voice that's able to do it. All right? So, you know, it was a good performance. It could have been great. You just really have to dig deep, and because you can excite people.
All right, thanks, judges.